my vlog. So for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng aking 50 inches TV! Woo! Sariling sikap. Anyway, kakarating niya lang, hindi ko ito in-expect. Akala ko next week pa siya darating. So, sabi nung nag-deliver, kailangan daw i-video habang binubuksan para ma-check kung may damage yung loob or hindi. So, iti-take ko na tong opportunity na to para mag-vlog ang unboxing ng aking 50 inches TV! So, let's go. I will have my partner to help me unbox this TV kasi sobrang laki na. Ayan. So, let's start. Ching! Ayaw niyang magpakita kasi meron na siyang skincare sa mukha. Ayaw niya nang burahin kasi sayang daan. I got this from Lazada. In-order ko siya nung Sunday ng madaling araw. I mean, Monday na actually. Tapos, today is Thursday. Yung nakalagay doon sa sa expected delivery about September 8 to 9 or to 15. Pero today is September 1. Diba sobrang advance? So hindi ko talaga siya ina-expect na darating siya ngayon. Okay, first thing, wall bracket. This is what. I don't know what is this. We'll check sa manual later. Pero, ito, wall bracket. Check natin. Oh, wall bracket. Shining. Dito kasi siya ilalagay. Yan. Pero soon. Turn it here. Okay, next. Ouch! Okay. Oh, may isa pa, dalawa. Siguro stand ko. Dalawa. Okay. Let's remove the styro. Tining. Pagaliktad siya. May love. Ito lang ang sabat. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! This is so big. Shining. Bakit baliktad? Hindi ba ito? Maharap ka. Yan. There you have it. Pagyan natin yung carbon. Pagyan natin yung carbon. Sa bag. So there you have it. Mga person, this is my 50 inches chick smart TV. Let's go down. So sad nga yung dalawa. And then I also have here the remote control, the cord, and my 3 batteries. Ayan. Maganda nito kasi ganito rin yung TV namin sa Rizal. Meron siyang installed Netflix, Prime Video, Google Play, and YouTube. And many other apps that you can download on Google Play Store. So far, so good. Wala So again, this is Chip Smart TV. This is Android TV. At ang maganda dito, this is frameless. So full screen talaga makikita nyo. Tapos, Dolby Audio and Vision na siya. You can check it out sa Lazada. I can save the link sa description sa baba. Android TV. So bilang first time to open, medyo magta-take lang siya ng time. Pero after that, kapag open mo yan, okay naman na yan. Hey Google. Yes, you can also say something kung may search. You can say, hey Google, kasi Google daw natin siyang program. It's taking some time. Please bear with us. There, so language, Portuguese, English, English, Philippines. Press and E. So I need to. Continue. Kung your phone, open Facebook, type for sake of Google and device. Ilan ang 41. Kaso lang ang Android. MG. Check kung may mo. So there you have it. I was able to connect it to Wi-Fi here. So I'm just waiting for it to load. Make them also your TV. Sign in. Sabi ba? It's free. Yung ano? Lahat yan. channel. There you have it. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, go to YouTube, search for Chito Glico, and then click the subscribe button down there. And click nyo na rin yung notification bell for more updates. Yan yung mga ka-person. Thank you. Anyway, thank you for joining me unboxing my 50 inches ChiQ Smart TV. If you want to have a TV like this, I can share the link on description down below para ma-check nyo din sa Lazada. I get this actually during payday sales sa Lazada from 29,000 something to 18,000. Diba? Kung nakintipid nun. So, magpabulo na din kayo. Anyway, thank you again for joining me in this vlog. And please don't forget again to subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, and comment below. Bye!